So why is it important to have a retirement plan even if you are young? After all, you are young, so you have many years till retirement. So why bother now? Hey, it's Dario and this is Divity Trading, a platform where we can share our best tips and tools when it comes to trading, investing, or finance in general. I think that saving and investing are the two most powerful things that an individual can do in order to start building their financial freedom in the long run. You know, as long as you have a job and a stable job, you probably don't think whether or not you're going to be able to pay what you want to buy the next month. But what happens when you won't have a job anymore? What happens when you retire? Do you think that you are going to have the same money every month as you have now? Probably not. So, are you going to lower your lifestyle? All these problems can be marginalized with a retirement plan, and we're going to talk about it in this video. But hey, if you enjoyed the video, leave it a like and let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on retirement plans, and do you have a retirement plan? Sometimes I get asked why I made a retirement plan even if I'm so young and I have so many years till retirement. And I often say that being young is one of the major reasons why you should open a retirement plan. You know, take squirrels for example. They start collecting nuts in summer. Do they eat them all right away? No, they stock them. Why they do that? Because they know that in winter they won't be able to find them. So why should you bother to save now if your retirement is so far away? Because if you do it when you're about to retire, it's already going to be late. But what are the actual advantages of building a retirement plan at a young age? Well, of course, the main advantage is time. You know, the thing that you cannot buy, that you cannot sell, and that you cannot get back? Well, that thing makes money. But how does it make money? So, time makes money with two different mathematical concepts: addition and compound interest. The first one means that if you save little money every month on a 40+ year scale, you are going to have a pretty decent sum. The second one, which is the most interesting, means that even if you start with a little capital and you have a small interest every year, with many years ahead, you are going to have a pretty good amount of money. Let's take my case for example. I said in my video on how to save that I put $250 in my retirement plan, and that means $3,000 a year. I started my plan when I was 17 and I would retire at 65, and those are 48 years of compound interest. Now, if we do the math with a little help from the web, we can see that in 48 years with 4% annual return on average, we can expect $400,000 worth of savings by actually saving $145,000. But how can this happen? Well, it's very simple. Compound interest means that every year you are not just adding $3,000, but actually you are also putting in your gains from the last year. And the gains in absolute value are going to increase year after year with the increase of your capital. And that's how it's possible to reach good amount of money with so little investments. And that's also why Albert Einstein considered compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Another advantage of retirement plans is that it forces you to pay. That means that if you are a person who has problems saving because you tend to spend all your money as it comes in, the retirement plan is going to grab your money and put it away right when you receive the paycheck. And also, you will be more responsible. If you start saving right when you are young, in the future you're going to learn to save, and also you're going to base your expenses on the fact that you need to save. I know that I might be annoying saying that you need to start investing and saving as soon as possible, and many people ask me why I bother so much and don't just live my life without worrying so much about money. But let me tell you this, I see many people with no money in their bank account, and I just ask them why don't they think about saving by not having debts, by not going out so much, and by not having fancy apartments. They all tell me that they are young and they need to spend the money because when they are going to be old, there won't be the time to spend it. But let me ask you, what if you lose the job? What if you want to build a company? What if you want to build a family? And lastly, What's going to happen when you retire? You will be forced to lower your lifestyle. Are you going to lower your lifestyle? Well, you will have to. So let's do what squirrels do. Don't waste the summertime and let's start investing and saving in the summer so that in winter we can be prepared. And these were my thoughts on retirement plan. If you enjoyed the video, leave it a like and let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on retirement plan and if you actually have a retirement plan. And I'll see you in the next video. So, what are the best ways to start investing at a young age? The last option that we have, which is the most difficult, the most risky, and also the most satisfying, which is also what I decided to do, is investing by yourself. Now, this is a very large topic and of course I cannot cover it in